Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Why would somebody do this? Guys, this is the spur of the minute thing. I was over at my favorite store. I seen these magnets and I thought, there's an idea. Guys, this is just awesome. I'm going to show you what I use this for. Here we go right here. Here's my workbench. Check out all them pencils I have. Tell me something. Do any of you ever use the erasers on the end? Well, I don't. Not for carpentry. And I like using them style of pencils. And what am I going to do here? There it is. Hangs up just like that. Let's see another idea. Here we are over at my chop saw. And what do we got here? There's my pencil. There's my pencil. There's the pencil. And I'm not going to miss that pencil. There it is right there. What use is having a pencil like this? Can any of you guys think about how handy this actually is? And see how strong this magnet is? I mean, and I can just grab it like this and use it. Think about it for a second. Well, what do you guys think? Is that an awesome hack or what? And I just went to my local store there and I picked up 10 of these magnets for, I believe they were $3 on sale. I got myself, I've showed this before, my Gorilla Glue gel. And it's as easy as that. I mean, I think it's terrific because you know what? A lot of times carpenters will put them in their pocket and of course stab yourself, or put them in upside down, or put them all over your shop. If you try to put them down, you'll dull the tip. Putting them up, well, you dull your hands half the time sticking yourself. Well, you know what? I thought this would be a great thing to try. I did it. I've been using it. And yeah, I think it's just terrific. And them magnets hold everywhere. I like the idea. I got one over on my chop saw and I don't have to worry about it rolling around, going back and forth. Really, I don't like putting pencils in my pockets and all over the place. I'm working at this station most of the time by myself, and I think that's an awesome hack. You guys let me know in the comments below whether you think it's a good idea or not. I love it. I've been using it, and for $3, when the pencil gets down low, all I have to do is just disconnect the magnet and I can glue it right on another one. So easy. Thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again and let's have some more fun and do some more hacks. Cheers.